Okay, I made these shoelace charms for my daughter's shoes that I'm working on. I'm going to show you how to make these from scratch. And also, let me show you how it looks on the actual shoe. So this is how it looks. Okay, so you will need some of these round acrylic discs. You can get this for about $10 on Amazon. These are 1.8 inch. I think that's equivalent to like 25 or 30 millimeter. So this is what it looked like when you take it out the bag. As you can see, it's like a clear little backing sheet or whatever you want to call, like a clear cover on here. You pull it off and then it's like clear, like you can see through, okay? So I'm gonna put this in a little plate. That's where I'm working. That's my little work area. You can put whatever rhinestones or combination of what you want, but this is what I'm going to be using, and I have specific colors to kind of match what I'm doing over here. Okay, so you're going to use some UV resin. It really don't matter what brand. I just get it off Amazon. This is real sticky and messy. That's why it's in this bag, but just get some UV resin. This is the kind I use, though. So what you're going to do is you're going to put you a cute little amount on this. Okay. Okay, so you place the rhinestones on the disc, however many you can fit or however you want them to like lay on here. So this is how I want them. Now you're going to take your UV light, the same little light that you take like little nail lamp, UV lamp. Let that cure. And make sure you let it cure on both sides. Okay, now as far as the backing piece, let me show you the two different ones I have. This is what they look like. So one of them is kind of big and it has 3M tape on it. And then this one is smaller. I'm going to use a smaller one so it could lay a little better on the shoe. Okay, now for the back, I'm going to use one little drop of this glue. It's very strong. It's called Bob Smith Maxi Cure. One little drop is all it takes. It's very strong. Drop that on there like that. That locks in about 3 minutes. But me, just for the sake of being extra, I do drop a little bit on the sides. Just to lock it in a little quicker. And then I cure it. Okay, and once it cures and it's finished, this is how your charm will look. And you open it up. Well, it's already open. And you just, these are elastic shoelaces. So clamp it. And it locks on and stays closed. You can make these with smaller rhinestones, bigger rhinestones, or you can get a smaller disc. So that is how you make DIY shoelace charms using the acrylic disc from Amazon and the little backing pieces from Amazon. Radiance, do you like these?
Yes.
You like them? Okay, so these are going to be my daughter's birthday shoes. So I'm just getting the pieces ready and then I'm going to glue everything on.